We just thought we'd do a quick video on putting the i96, i96 Pro and Starline Stealth into Valet mode. And the way you do that is ignition on without starting the vehicle, pop your disarm code in, get our disarm tone, then press any button 11 times. Cycle ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. This is now in service mode. So this will act like a normal vehicle. It will start up, select a gear, drive around as if there's no immobiliser fitted. When you get it back, you'll obviously want it protected, and the way you do that is ignition on without starting, pop your disarm code in, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go, it's out of service mode and protected again. Hope this helps out some of our customers that need to put their vehicle into service mode.